Hi there! Welcome to ChuoLink, your trusted guide to university programs and career paths. We're a team that's passionate about helping students like you make informed decisions about your education. In today's video, we're exploring the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, what it's all about, what you'll study, and the opportunities it can open up for your future. Let's dive in. So, what's this course about? A Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering is where hardware meets software. It's a program that teaches you how computers work at the deepest level. Not just the code, but also the physical components that make everything run. You'll learn how to design computer systems, develop embedded software, and create the technologies that power our everyday lives. From smartphones to smart homes, this degree gives you the skills to engineer the future. Now let's talk about the core curriculum. What do you study? You'll study both the hardware and software sides of computing. That means courses like digital systems design, computer architecture, and embedded systems. You'll also cover programming in languages like C or Python, software development techniques, and how computers communicate through networks. Expect hands-on projects in labs, programming assignments, and hardware design simulations. You'll also explore advanced topics like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, and microcontroller systems. It's a mix of theory and practice that prepares you for the real world. What are the key things you'll take away? By the time you graduate, you'll know how to build and optimize computer hardware, develop software that interacts with devices, and understand how different components of a system work together. You'll also gain problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and the ability to design efficient, scalable systems. Most importantly, you'll have the confidence to work in a fast-changing tech world, where adaptability is key. Where can this degree take you? This degree opens up a wide range of careers. You could become a computer engineer, working on the design and development of hardware and software systems. You might go into embedded systems, creating software for smart devices. Other paths include network engineering, hardware engineering, systems analysis, and even roles in cybersecurity or artificial intelligence. There are also opportunities in software engineering, especially where hardware and software need to work closely together. Whether you want to work in telecommunications, consumer electronics, robotics, or tech startups, this degree sets you up with solid options. What makes this course unique? What makes computer engineering stand out is its blend of hardware and software. You don't just write code, you understand the machines that run it. You'll get to build real systems, experiment with electronics, and solve problems that matter. It's a great course if you're hands-on, curious about how things work, and excited about innovation. It's also future-proof. With tech evolving rapidly in Tanzania and beyond, there's growing demand for people who can design and manage systems, not just use them. So, is a bachelor's in computer engineering right for you? If you're passionate about technology, love understanding how systems work, and enjoy both building and coding, then this might be the perfect path for you. It's a degree that equips you with powerful tools to help shape Tanzania's digital future and beyond. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want us to break down another course, leave a comment below or contact the ChuoLink team for personalized guidance. See you in the next video.